Hey guys, just wanted to show you the final paint job. I've got some high temperature enamel paint here, heat resistant paint, black, goes up to, I don't know if you can see that, 540 degrees Celsius or 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. Not an expensive brand, but expensive enough. White Knight, $25 for a 300 gram tube can, so hoping it'll do the job well. Well, I think that looks pretty good. I'll give that time to dry. Have a go at it tomorrow, light her up, see if I can make something. See ya. Okay, here's a final look at the forge now that I've completed everything, given it the final paint job, and put it into place on top of its stand, and yeah, just give you a final look at it before I start using it. Okay. Here we go, there she is with the new stealth look, fully blacked out. Looking pretty good, works well. I've tried it already a couple of times, as you may be already aware. Did the proper heat treat on it and everything to make sure that it was going to last inside. Give you a bit of a look inside, so come around and just easy to unhook the latch there, swing her open. Don't know what the lighting will be like inside here, but I'm sure you'll be able to see enough. I patched up some, there was a large crack that I pointed out, well, I should say large, small crack that I pointed out here in the previous video. I pulled it all apart, pulled all the tops apart here off, got it on upside down, chipped out what had cracked, the loose bits, and recoated it. Now looking pretty good inside. Works very well. I'm very happy with it. Close that back up. Still works good. As I said, sliding doors work well. Fully adjustable, easy to just rip out and remove if I don't want to use them. Or if I'm moving it around. I did end up putting that pipe, the hose, the gas hose, down through a hole in the side. That now goes down, which you can't see in the dark, of course. Goes down beside the edge of this drawer, which is just a drawer I keep a few tools in. Let me have a look around here. Back doors are not on. Terrible lighting, I know. Sorry about that. It's night time here. View from the back, looking good. All painted up. Just hook that on there. snapper shut, pulls in nice and tight. Now I've got my digital thermometer up here. As you can remember, if you've seen the other videos, I had it up here, but the heat rising from here up to here I thought may affect it. So I cut that off, repainted that up now so you can't see where it was, and welded her onto the back here. So that's looking like it's in a much better position now. I put a timber back on this because I don't know if you've ever used these old filing cabinets when you take all of the drawers out of them, but they get a bit wonky, wobbly. So I cut a piece of ply and put some screws in, tech screws in to stiffen it up, which works very well. I've also now put a floor in here because the thin metal floor was bowing with the heavy gas bottle on it. So I've put a plywood floor in here that sits there well now. I've also now put caster wheels on the front back. We've got just swivel wheels on the back, but lockable wheels on the front. So now I can push it around the workshop, push it into place, lock them, and she's not going anywhere. So very happy to have it all locked into place now, and very much looking forward to doing some forging now that that's all done and the inside is properly heat treated and sealed up. So that's it for now. I'll post a couple of videos. First I'll edit this video, post this video, then I'll start making a couple of tools. I've got a hold fast that I want to make, and also I'm going to make a hardy cut-off tool. Then I'll decide from there what other tools I need to make. Oh, I want to make some tongs, but I think I'm going to practice on a few other pieces first before I go into tongs. See how I go with the first hold down and the hardy cut-off tool first. Okay, thanks for watching. Forge right. Talk to you later. Andy signing out.